Let's start a new poem today. Where do all the teachers go? For a little child, a teacher is special. It's difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. If you see, for every child, his or her teacher is very special because children see their teachers in school only. So, the poet of this poem is a child. So, let us discuss the poem stanza by stanza. Let us discuss the first stanza. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? So see, in first stanza, poet is saying that where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? So actually, uh, poet's school end time is 4 o'clock. So he's asking question to himself, where do all the teachers go after the school? When the school is over, where do all the teachers go? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? So poet is comparing teachers with teachers to with ordinary people because uh, all of us or everyone lives in a houses, everyone lives in house, and most of the people wash their clothes at the house. So the poet is saying that do they live in houses, do teachers live in houses like all of us, like everyone, and do they wash their socks at house? Now let us see the second stanza. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch television and do they pick their noses and the same as you and me? So in second stanza, poet is again getting some questions. He's asking questions to himself. Do they wear pajamas? Do teachers wear pajamas like other people? Hmm? And do they watch television? Do teachers watch television like all of us, all other people? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? So the poet is saying, do teachers also clean their noses as you and me clean our noses at house? After that, in third stanza, let us discuss the third stanza. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? So poet again asking questions to himself. He's thinking about teachers. He has many questions about teachers. Uh, he has many thoughts about teachers. So he's asking, do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? As we all live with our family members in our family. We live with moms and dads. So the poet is asking himself, do teachers live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? So poet is saying, were they ever children? Were teachers ever children and were they ever bad children like many like other children? Were they ever bad and notorious mischievous children? Now let us discuss the fourth stanza. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? So now poet is comparing the teachers with other little children. Means poet is thinking that when teachers were children, in third stanza is saying were our teachers also children? Hmm? And now he's saying when they were children, did they ever did they ever never spell right? Did they make any spelling mistakes? Did they ever make any other mistakes when they were children? And after that he's saying, were they punished in the corner if they ate any chocolate flakes? As when children eat some chocolate flakes in school, so they are punished in the corner. So like that poet is comparing Poet is thinking that when teachers were children, were they ever punished in the corner when they ate some chocolate flakes? In last, now let us discuss the next stanza. Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their grins? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Now poet is again having some questions about teachers when they were children. Now poet is saying, did they ever lose their notebooks? Did they ever lose their hymn books when they were children? Did they ever leave their greens? It means, did they ever leave the playgrounds when they were in the school, when they went for playing on the playground? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they scratch something on their desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans as other children wear? So, poet is having all these questions about the teachers when they were children. Now, let us discuss the last stanza. Now, in last stanza, poet is saying, I'll follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem that they can read to you. Now, in the last stanza, poet is saying that I will follow one of my teachers after the school. I will follow them and I will find what they do after the school. And after finding all those things, I'll put it in a poem so that you all can read that. So, the poem is over. Bye. Goodbye.